빨리 손님 좀.
응. 그럼.
있어 어때? 어때? We're in the 6th row, not the 8th row. Yeah, I guess so.
Then take your bag out.
There's one more room.
Where is supposed to come here? Where is it? My sorry, nine.
어 이런.
아, 카오 가자. 요요요요. 카오 가자. 요요요. 아유. 안나. 민랍. Stupid. 카오 가자. Coconut. Watch me whip, and watch me nay. Yay.
cái cho你好的，工具好的，啊好。
Loi. Miso ram mga no. Miso ram. Miso ram. Miso ram.
Litang.
China once made an unexpected mistake on the Gobi Desert. The solar farms they built caused the grass to grow so fast it started blocking the panels. But no one imagined the solution would come from a herd of sheep, which not only fixed the problem, but helped turn part of the desert into a green oasis. All of this happened in Talatong, in western China. This area used to be 98% desertified, so dry that almost nothing could survive. But it had one advantage: over 3,000 hours of strong sunlight every year. That's why a large-scale solar power base was built here. What no one expected was that the panels would become the key to restoring the ecosystem. The shade from the panels protected the soil from harsh sunlight, and the water used to clean the panels dripped into the ground. In just 3 years, the barren land saw its vegetation coverage jump from almost 0 to around 80%. But with new plants came new problems. Too much grass blocked the panels from absorbing sunlight and increased wildfire risks during dry seasons. Cutting the grass by hand, slow and expensive. So the most unexpected solution appeared: put sheep in the solar farm. Under the panels it's cool, less windy, and the grass is tender. Basically a natural 5-star pasture. The sheep trim the grass with perfect precision, and the farm saves a large amount in yearly maintenance costs. The flock grew from about 600 to nearly 20,000, and the solar farm expanded to about 235 square miles, producing enough clean electricity for around 5 million people each year. Can you imagine a future where deserts are sustained, not just by sunlight, but by sheep as well?
Black tea there. Moses there, Moses and there. Bo, anh thấy mami rồi tới lúc câu chuyện đấy chứ mà, bút tờ là tết cho hè tết. Nó ta thì tao tôi.
Có cần mà khả năng có để trên lũ thành sự rồi.